Hi friends, this video shows how to fix black screen issue by adjusting the frame rate or refresh rate. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to display and sound. Go down, select match content frame rate. Here you can see three options. Right now I have selected always. If we select always, TV will automatically adjust a frame rate based on the frame rate of original content that we are playing. That is the reason we are seeing a black screen. So we can fix that issue. Just select never from this. Done. Select never. After this, TV will not automatically change the frame rate based on the frame rate of the content that we are playing. This way we can fix that issue. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.